Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with us how to add items to the Temu wish list. If you see any item you like and you don't want to add it to your cart because you don't want to buy it immediately, you have to add it to your wish list. Now I know that this Temu wishlist feature is a bit hidden and not a lot of people know about it, so I'll be showing us how to add items to our wish list. Okay, let's assume that we want to add this vacuum cleaner to our wish list. Just click on the product or the item, scroll down to where you see product details. Okay, just have to scroll down, and here we have the product details. You're going to see by the right save and report. Click on save. Once you click on save, it's saved to your wish list. Okay, I'm going to do it with another product, this phone case for example. Click on it, scroll down to where you have the product details and click on save. Save to your wish list. Now let's access this wish list. Where can we find it? Just go to your U tab where you have U, click on it, and then you scroll down, click on wish list, and there you have it. So this is the phone case I added to my wish list, and this is the vacuum cleaner. It's as easy as ABC. So whenever you're ready to now actually buy these items, go to your wish list, click on the item, just add to carts, and just like that, after you add to cart, you can make your payment, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. If you've watched to this point, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.